Today we're out here going to discuss the Stockman Sheeted Tub by Livestock Shed. We're going to go through some of the features that this particular tub has over some of the others and show you the options that you can utilize this tub for working your cattle. With this particular sweep tub, you've got your spring-loaded safety latch. You got your handle on top when you're backing the gate up, that you grab this handle so you're not going to pinch yourself, your fingers. It's also got a rubber piece that's placed over your latch, so as it sweeps across, you don't have a whole lot of banging and clanging, making a lot more noise, bothering the animals as you're trying to sweep them around. What you'll also notice with this sweep system is there's a small section here on your typical tub. This is a solid panel. What we've got on this particular one is they call this the cornerless tub, and as you get to about midway when you're sweeping this gate around, this will come into play, and it's got rollers built into it, so as this sweeps, the main gate sweeps around, this smaller gate comes into play and it will actually funnel the animals into this corner over here. And you notice with this corner there's a gate here that you can either shut off this opening or, like it is right now, shut off this opening depending on what alleys you're going down, what cattle you're working, if you're going to have a calf alley coming out of one of these openings, or you're going to have a loading ramp coming out of one of these openings. You can switch that back and forth depending on what you need to do. But I'm going to demonstrate how this gate will sweep around, and you'll hear how quiet it is as well. And then you'll also possibly get a shot of this as it sweeps around once it comes into play as I get about halfway through. See, and even on the summer days, a warm summer day, the nice thing about this being rubber, besides it quietening down the gate as it sweeps around, but what it also does is it will actually stick to this sheeting and actually keep that gate from coming back right now. But in case it does slip here, you've got these vertical pipes that are welded into each one of these sections, these dividers, that's as far back as that gate's going to swing back if you get cattle turning on you, wanting to try and go the other direction. But as you notice, this gate here has already started to come into play, and as I sweep this around, it creates a funnel at this one end. Now this tub, you can get either a clockwise sweep like this one is, or you can get it a counterclockwise, just depending on what you need for your setup. But again, it does funnel them down, and the one way I can kind of describe this as well versus others, like I said, others have a solid panel right here with an opening at that far end for the cattle to get out. The issue that's created with that is when you have a solid panel here, it gives you basically a V here at your pivot post. What happens is a lot of times you'll have those animals come in, they'll put their nose right here, then you'll have to back the tub gate back up, push them around, and sometimes it'll take you 2 or 3 times just to get them down to that end of the tub to get them out and down into one of your alleys. So this works a whole lot better, makes it a lot more efficient, and it's a lot less stress on you and the animals when you've got the tub set up like this. And then, like I said, you just grab this handle, pull that gate all the way back, and it's got a wide enough opening to allow several animals coming into that alley at the same time. As I was stating before, you've got 2 exits on this end of the tub, and you've got a gate that actually will pivot right here and close off each opening, and it's real easy to do. Just by pulling this chain up, that's got a hook here, you bring it around and you want to close off that opening. And now you've got that opening closed off. So if you've got a load out here and you're wanting to load up some cattle, you can attach your alley here. And the thing that this also has is you've got your fasteners here to be able to fasten up an alley coming off of this direction or coming off of this opening going this direction.